Okay, so as you saw in my first rock carving video, I'm still debating on whether I should upload this next one because it didn't go so well. But despite that, you will see that I ripped a hole in my glove in the fleece here. So we are going to fix that with some already threaded needles and some with some thread on them. Now, if you're wondering which ones these are, I don't even know where I got them, probably Walmart, but it's threaded needles, only $1. Wow. So, as it says, wow, yeah. But we're gonna use this to just pull this back together right here, so that way I don't have to worry about it coming undone and my needles and my fingers being exposed, or all of my fingernail getting ripped off by something. Alright, so we're going to take this little black one here. Just use something else to pop that out, just to be more safe. And since it's already threaded, I don't know if we'll use all of this, but what we're going to do... Now, these are for kind of like putting buttons on or something. That's what they're generally used for, so... we're going to go ahead and run both strands, but I'm going to tie a little knot on this end, just so when I pull it through, it don't come all the way out. So this is going to be how we fix our glove here. Now, I'm not a sewer. I want a sewing machine because a lot of fun things you can make with it. But I haven't had the time. Just like I don't hardly have time to do this stuff anyways. Oh gosh. I'm trying to get a second knot in here just to be safe. And we're gonna leave it alone because that is annoying. Okay, so from what I'm looking at, this is our major hole, so I'm gonna patch that one first. Mostly since we got plenty of thread too, so I'm gonna put something in it though to kind of spread it apart. Let's see if we can put this in it, and to where it'll kind of show us. Yeah, there we go. All right, so first of all, we're going to come back here so that way we're anchored really well. And then, and you want to make sure that you don't hook that paper. Alright, so we're here, and it should stop on that knot, yeah. So it stopped on the knot, so that's good. And now we're just going to come back through the same side. Now, there are a few different ways that you can do this. I'm just going to do this simple zigzag, or well, I'd call it a come around. And it's just going to pull these two together. There's a few other things that you can do. And I know some people pull it tight at the end, but I'm going to pull it sort of tight as I go. So that way I see exactly where my next point should be. And this should hold my glove together for some good time. Be sure to not stick your fingers and we will be done here in just a moment. So it looks like I didn't pull that one tight enough. So I'll just pull those a little bit tighter. because it's not going to hurt us because we have elastic in this glove also. And this is just a quick fix. If we wanted to really fix it, we could actually sew a new piece into here. But we're not going to take the time to do that. Just trying to get this in the right spot. There we go. And now we're going to make sure that we get this end here really well. Because this end was where it was first cut. So that's the only spot I'm worried about, really. So looking at it, looks like did pretty well. Let's go ahead and pull it tight. Yeah, so that's good. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this. I got a knife here. All right, and generally people tie a knot in this end, but I didn't leave enough slack for that, and I don't have small enough fingers for it, so we're gonna leave it alone. All right, and got a separate hole right over here, so we're gonna tie an end in this and hope we have enough string. But yeah, so we're just gonna repeat the same process. And also, you know, if you ever rip a glove, just think, you know, you don't need a bunch of expensive stuff. You don't need a sewing kit, well, like a sewing machine or anything. You just need some thread and a needle. So if your mom has some, if your grandma has some, they will be kind enough to let you borrow it, unless that's just, you know, yeah. They may not let you borrow stuff. Maybe you break too much stuff. So, all right, so I got us a little knot there. We're going to continue on here and come right through there. Right. Watch out for that other lead off of the back end. And that paper's sliding down and it's kind of getting in the way. All right, there we go. All right. Now, if you do have a sewing machine, what I would suggest, well, you can't really put this under a sewing machine, but if you could, I would do a zigzag, because that would bring it, it'd be like more like putting a patch than just bringing it together, and I'd say that would work better and probably hold a lot longer. But you do what you can. And this is what we can do with this one. All right. And now it's pretty well pulled together, so I'd say that's about the end of this video. My camera's about to cut out at 10 minutes. But yeah, this is just to show you that, you know, you can fix a glove with just $1 instead of buying new $30 gloves. Now, if it's the leather, it's going to take a little bit more hard work, but we can still do that. So if that ever rips, we'll repair that too. So thanks for watching, and hope this is useful to you. And please subscribe to the channel and comment on the videos, anything you'd like to see. And thanks for watching.